Hey everyone, I would like us today to get on the same page for notes. So I want everyone, if you haven't already, to start a science notebook in the Notability app. If you've already done this, you can skip the video. For those of you who need to set up a new notebook here, you will need first to find Notability. You can do that in self-service. If you type in Notability, should show up. It looks like this, a pencil and a blue square with a microphone. I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it, but if you do not, click the install button. Once you have that, you can click into it. And you're going to notice on the left side, things are organized in a linear way. And so you can actually set up notebooks in here for each class if you want. And you can even divide the notebooks into different units or subjects. So we will do that for this class. To do that, click the plus button and add divider. Dividers are actually, for our purposes, are going to be your class. So name it Physical Science. All right, so now you have a notebook for this class. So now you can begin adding different units. So for example, we might want to add our first unit, even though we are just finishing that one. So click Add Subject, and we can add, that was called The Nature of Science and Engineering. We already have that actually, so I'm going to put that there. So if you hold down any subjects, you can move them around. So now we have that unit in our physical science notebook, and we can add notes right there. There's actually one note I already put in there. It's from a reading that we did. So if you have any notes and you want to organize them there, that would be the place to do it. We can also add our next unit, which will be matter. All right, so that's where we'll add new notes. So let's find a note in Schoology and add it to our Nature of Science and Engineering subject tab. So if we go to Schoology, anytime I give you notes, if you find them in here, I know we have notes in today's lesson. There will be attachments, and you can download those using the arrow and square button up in the upper right corner. That'll give you the option to download that into Notability. So go ahead and do that. You can create a new note. You can add it to any of your, by clicking subject, you can add it to any of your subject folders. So this will be a Nature of Engineering and Science. And you want all the pages and import. So now, if we've done things correctly, we can go back to Notability. We should be able to find in our Nature of Science and Engineering subject folder that worksheet. So now we can fill that out here. I hope this was helpful. Please set these notebooks up today and work on this worksheet right here today.